2006 Volvo S40.
There you go with the Volvo again.
Volvo.
It's Volvo.
Oh, Volvo. Okay,
Yes.
Volvo 2006 T5 2.5 liter engine. This is main body.
See, there's still a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit coming off.
5 cylinder. So we take a risk to use the knife to take the glue out. We need to be perfect, smooth. And we bring the head and the cap, go to the engine shop. Maybe they done tomorrow. Okay.
To the machine shop.
Machine shop. Machine shop. Yeah, machine shop. You see the Trump work for me. You see that?
He works for me. He's my apprentice.
He's a brother. Okay.
He's my apprentice right here. Yeah. The cameraman. He's learning. He doesn't know very much, but he means well. Okay, that should be good. I'd say that's pretty good, Peter.
Yeah. Okay.
Did a good job.
Okay.
Okay. Gotta make sure we get this fucker right here, right down that. This is where it kind of, you gotta watch these fuckers. You gotta make sure you get all that off behind there.
Oh.
See, there's a little bit on there, not much, but.
You want me to do it?
Well, I got it now. I'm here. You'll see there's just a little. It's just hard to get to back there. It's hard to get if you only have that tool. So you gotta scrape this, but you gotta be really careful when you're going like this. See, I'm pulling a little bit up there. It doesn't take much. Put a little gouge in there, and then that pressure gets underneath there, and it just like, takes a little scratch and turns it into a big hole. This one, I'm just gonna scrape it off like that. I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go around here, right there. See what's real thin right there? It's right there, just real thin. Yeah. Oil comes up. Well, that's not an oil hole. That's for the bolt.
Yeah, for the bolt. Yeah. How about this hole? Is it oil?
Those are oil.
Then this is
oil.
Then this is water. Yeah. Yep. So water only goes through here. He come in here and only goes through
only goes
here.
There.
And how about the one we go? They have no water there. The one we send to the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, they no water.
No, it goes up into the top of that too.
Oh, they have a cover there.
Through here, yeah.
But same chamber, same container, right?
Yep.
So it only goes here, right? Okay.
And then the oil gets pumped to the very top of this, and then it goes down and flows down through there.
Yeah, oil, yeah.
Yeah, it goes drips back down.
Then how they pump back?
It's got an
they
oil pump.
Three down here, but how?
All motor's got an oil pump. The bottom, all the oil gets held in the bottom
yeah,
of the motor.
Oil pump. Where is oil pump?
Yeah. All the way down here at the bottom. That's where all the oil drips. Goes, gravity brings it down, and then it pumps it back up to the top.
So pump is inside the cap, inside the oil. Okay.
Yep. Like my car is like 60 pounds pressure.
60 pound pressure. Okay.
This one probably doesn't.
This is he's the master. Okay. And he's there single. Okay.
Here, let's put this.
No woman service him.
Here,
poor guy.
Go back up here. we gotta get this done, or we'll be out here all night. It's raining. Okay, so that's good.
That's good.
Okay, you got that one? You got that one clean up?
Yeah, clean up. Put it there. So tonight you just want to put the water pump back.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put some. I'm gonna spray that down with some grease.
Oh, spray again.
Just this kind of stuff. Just grease, just so it doesn't get rusty.
So because
oh shit.
Spray it wrong. Oh.
That's all right.
Where's
the acetone? Where's the acetone?
You want the acetone? Yeah.
Yep, I just put it on. It's no big deal. It comes right off.
Yeah.
Where's the other grease is over there. That's where it says. I think that's that one there.
This one?
That should be.
Cleaner.
That's not it either.
Electric.
It'll stay on the.
How about this?
It says lithium grease on it. Is what it says. It's a spray can.
How about this?
That's it right there. That's it.
Okay.
Hang on, I gotta wipe this off real quick.
Oh, here.
I need a clean rag. A clean one.
Clean rag. In there behind.
Clean?
No.
Where's it at?
It's inside the car.
Back here?
Yeah, I think so. You see that? Okay, come back here. So.
Okay, here we go. Where's the where's the good stuff?
Yeah.
Yes. I gotta get started first. Oh yes. Oh,
Kind of
yes.
crazy.
This stuff takes everything off. This shit just makes that eats that glue up.
Actually, my house have a lot of X-stone.
Huh?
I have a lot. We got auction. This one.
This stuff?
I don't know how to use it.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, it's only used for certain stuff.
I always go to the auction, you know, before.
Oh, you buy it at the auction?
Before, yeah. One time I buy the one ladder,
Yeah.
one ladder, okay,
Yeah.
and wood, a lot of wood.
Yeah.
They trimble the
Yeah.
wood about this much. You know
Yeah.
how much? $10.
Oh yeah.
No one want it.
No, you get good deals at the auction. There's
Yeah.
no doubt.
Yeah.
But you got to be able to use it. You just can't let it sit around. And
I
rust.
know, I know. So I always do something, you know.
Oh, yeah, here we go. It's just right here mostly.
Then this channel oil, right?
You're gonna keep asking me the same question over
Yeah,
and over
but
again.
no, because I won't confirm. Why on the middle don't
I
have?
just told you what everything was. I'm not gonna go back under it again. You know what it is.
But why on the back don't have? Only this side have
I guess
four.
it doesn't need it back there. It only has it where it has to have it. And there's no moving parts there. It's not gonna have any oil passages.
But this is cylinder too.
Okay, is that about done it? I think that about does it.
All cylinder work the same, right?
I don't know. No, they're bigger, smaller. Every motor's different.
No, I say five of them. This five all work the same.
Well, yeah, they got to be the same in the same car, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm going. Why they have a four here, then here only one.
Let me see where we're at here. Okay, this last little bit here.
Accident.
Make sure I get it all off.
No, what's this?
I know what it is. Don't worry about it. Okay. Anything that get down in there is fine because it's all greased.
Oh.
So it's not going to stick. All right. Let's see. That's all good. All right, we're good now. Nothing on the inside is fine. Oh,
Okay.
because that stuff will dry. It dries it a little bit here. It'll dry. It'll be fine. Yep. All right, we're good now. All right, let's try this again now. Should wait. Just like Pam in the kitchen. Spray cooking oil. Backside here. Alright, that's it. Now we need a let me tell something over top of it. You got any little plastic? You got any other plastic bags down there? Downstairs? The small ones?
No, a small one I have.
Yeah, yeah.
Just put
Will
a,
one
put
small one fit right over top of that?
if I open it.
No, no, I'm just not open it. Just lay it right down on top of it.
Not
grease
this
will make
big.
it
Not
stick.
this big. I'm shopping bag.
Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work.
Yeah,
Can you go get me one?
Okay.
Yep, I just need one. And then,
Okay.
see, look, don't tell me
This
nothing.
is a.
Look.
Oh, good. Oh, that's red one now.
Huh?
That's exposed your
what?
cylinder. Exposed. Is both cylinder.
Okay, here we go.
You want to introduce it here?
What's that now?
Introduce here. Let me shoot a video. And here.
I'm busy looking at something.
Okay, here is the water pump. Okay, water pump. And he used the one bar. Okay, you see that? One bar and the second bar here to hold the water pump at the right position. Okay, the right position. You know, like a stick out. Okay, position. Then this is the water pump look like. Okay, he turning. Okay, so then turning with the bear to turn. Okay. And this one and this one. This one is a hole. This hole and this hole. That's for the. I just show you the stick bar go in. Okay, go in. Okay, go in. And one stick out go in. And the rest of it is a screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screw tight. And with the seal. You see it. And outside the bear turning. Okay, make a water pump. Okay, so we have a look like here beside the bear. So you see that? That's it undone there. Okay, and here another wheel. We take some wheel out already. But here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Another about 6 wheel on this side. So I have 3 bear, timing bear. And AC bear, whatever. Okay, and that's what we have. Okay, so right now it's a protector, and that liquid to protect the water is this. Yeah. Okay. Last time we sprayed this one, right? Grease, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's grease. So what you see the white color is this grease. Okay, we use this white this grease. Okay, this grease spray to protector. And later we cover because right now it's raining, so we cover the tent. Okay, so we cover the plastic to protect it. So tonight we are install the water pump. We have new one already. So tomorrow we will head, engine head and engine cap come, and we start to install. And also those parts too. The other thing we need to change. Right now I don't know which part, which line for which line, but we are figure out. And the master JJ, yeah, he will know. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we call over here, and please subscribe me and follow me. Yeah. Bye bye.